Man sentenced to life for ammunition possession. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full details to come.
Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report.
Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. The Supreme Court has handed down a life sentence to 33-year-old Dwight Johnson of Park Lane, Kingston 19 for unauthorized possession of ammunition. The sentence was delivered on Thursday, January the 30th, and mandates that Johnson serve a minimum of 15 years before being eligible for parole. He also received a concurrent sentence of 3 years and 6 months with hard labor for possession of assorted ammunition parts. Johnson's conviction stemmed from a police operation on July the 3rd, 2023 in Park Lane. During the operation, Johnson was seen with a group of men and attempted to flee but was pursued. During the pursuit, a Glock magazine containing 13 rounds of .40 caliber ammunition fell from his possession. He was later apprehended hiding in a nearby residence. Following intensive investigation, Johnson was charged under the Firearms Prohibition, Restriction and Regulation Act 2022. This case marks a historic first, as Johnson is the first individual convicted under the new Act for possession of assorted parts and ammunition. The previous legislation addressed the prosecution of 2 or more individuals possessing firearm parts but lacked provision of prosecution a single individual, a gap now closed by the Act 2022. This conviction sent a clear message that possession of illegal ammunition and firearms will not be tolerated, stated Assistant Commissioner of Police Wayne Joseph, head of the Criminal Investigation Branch. The JCF remains committed to utilizing the full extent of the law to bring those involved in crimes to justice, as we aim to make Jamaica a safer place. In 2024, 40 individuals were convicted for breaches of the Firearms Act, to include possession of prohibited weapons and other related charges. This has been Links 007 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.